Okay, the cable that works that I've had for a while is connected to the USB port in my car, which is for charging and connecting to the head unit in my car. And I'm going to plug the other end into my phone. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy Note 4. It's about a couple of weeks old. Okay, so it's plugged in right away. I have charging. Okay, oh, just timing out. Go. Turn it on. Okay, charging. If I can focus here. Okay, charging at steady charging, and then it shows right there that it's connected, USB connectivity, and steadily charging. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect the cable. And now I'm going to connect one of these cables. Okay. And the other end into the phone. And this is what happens. Back and forth, charging, not charging, charging, not charging. Never connects through data, and just back and forth, charging, not charging. So, a couple of them actually steadily charge, but not very quickly. None of the cables connect with data from the phone to my car. So, and then this is the box that has the cables. And that's it. Alright, thank you.